Hello everybody, welcome to Ruby Falcon. Today we're going to be making Panna Cotta. Panna Cotta is one of the most famous Italian desserts. The name literally translates to cooked cream. It's extremely versatile as far as flavor is concerned, and you can do so much with it. Let's take a look at what we need to make it, alright? To make Panna Cotta, you're going to need one container, roughly 500 milliliters or 2 cups of cream. You're going to need 100 grams of white sugar. You're going to need unflavored gelatin. I'm using 1 pouch, which is roughly 15 milliliters or 1 tablespoon. And you're going to need about 45 milliliters or 3 tablespoons of flavoring. Today, I'm using vanilla extract. While I'm using vanilla to flavor the Panna Cotta today, you can use almost anything, such as rum, espresso, grated dark chocolate, whatever you want. Add your cream to a small pot. Turn the heat up to medium-low and let it cook for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, now that the cream has warmed up a little bit, add your sugar and stir until fully dissolved. Once the sugar has fully dissolved into the cream, add your flavoring and stir to mix in. At this point, we want to cook the cream, but crucially, we do not want it to boil. So stir occasionally until you see steam and fine bubbles around the edges of the pot. Again, you do not want it to boil. Alright, you can see a very, very fine ring of bubbles around the edge of the pot, and it's ever so slightly starting to steam. So give it one last stir. And prepare your gelatin according to the package directions. This particular brand of gelatin wants you to add the package to 1/4 cup, that's 60 milliliters of cool water. Then add another 60 milliliters, 1/4 cup of boiling water. And stir for about 1 minute. Add your prepared gelatin to the panna cotta. And stir to mix in. Turn off the heat. And spoon into molds or ramekins or serving dishes or whatever you want. Wrap each one in cling film so that way the surface doesn't dry out. And now for the hardest part. Refrigerate them for 4 hours to set. Waiting that long is going to be hard because by this point your kitchen smells incredible. I'll see you then. Alright, the wait is over. Now that the panna cotta has been setting for at least 4 hours, it's time to serve. Go ahead and remove the cling film from the panna cotta. Typically, panna cotta is served by tipping it out of the mold onto a plate and then coating it with a topping of your choice. However, I like serving it right in the ramekin or short glass that I made it in. There's lots of things you can use as a topping. Everything from coulis to caramel to whatever sauce you want. Today I'm topping my vanilla panna cotta with a strawberry blackberry coulis. As a fun little accent, I'm going to add 2 mint leaves and 3 blueberries. And there you have it, panna cotta. So versatile depending on what flavor you choose for the panna cotta itself and for the topping. There really is no end to the possibilities you can choose. I hope you enjoyed as much as I do. If you did, you can click up here to subscribe, and down here is something that the algorithmic overlords at YouTube think that you'll enjoy from my channel. If it catches your fancy, go ahead and click on it, and I'll see you next time.